This P0326 repairing video is dedicated to Honda's drivers. If your Honda is getting a P0326 error code, this video is going to show you one practical solution to fix the error code at home. Use the Zeus app to scan your vehicle and see the error code P0326. It means that the engine control module has detected a reference voltage from the knock sensor that has fallen outside the threshold of acceptance set by the manufacturer. Here are one of the most practical solutions to fix Honda's P0326 error code. Method A, the knock sensor. The knock sensor is located on the engine block, cylinder head, or intake manifold. First, carefully remove the knock sensor from the engine. Use a multimeter to proceed with a resistance test on the knock sensor. In order to get a correct reading, check your check owner's manual to see the specific knock sensor resistance range for your vehicle. If you don't get a reading, this indicates that the knock sensor is faulty and needs to be replaced. So here are one of the most practical solutions to fix Honda's P0326 error code. After the repair, you can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner at the description link below, or check out the video here for more info. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.